Well, hello everybody! Welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And here we are the next day. It is October 7th. And this is that loaf of bread. Well, I have to eat my words. It was hydrated enough. It rose perfectly. But the only thing I made a mistake of doing was I cut a slit in the top of it before I baked it. And it looks like that is not needed. Otherwise, I would got a nice rounded sandwich bread. But it looks like a really nice loaf of bread, and oh my God, does it smell good in here. So, I'm going to grab my my little mitt here, and I'm going to turn this out. Oh yeah, that is definitely a nice loaf of bread. So I will go back to this guy's channel. I will copy his URL and I'll post it in the comment section below my next video tonight. And any of you want to make this bread, oh my God, it's making me want to slice into it and throw some butter on it and eat it right now. But I'm going to cover it with a towel and let it rest and cool down. And I'll probably test this for lunch, and I'll let you know in tonight's video actually how well it tastes and how the inside came out. And once I have it sliced, I'll be able to show you what the inside came out like. So I've got the old bag of San Francisco sourdough. I hung it out on the line to air inside out, and I'll go get that for sliding this thing into. Somewhere in my container I've got a plastic bread box that you can put a whole loaf like this in and just close the cover on it. So I'll have to dig that out and wash it up and get it ready, because looks like I've got a new favorite bread in the house here if it tastes as good as it looks. All right, that's all for today, or for this morning anyway. I'm going to cut this as a short video, and I'll do another one later. So this one will be listed by today's date, part 1, and then I'll do part 2 this afternoon. Oh yeah, that looks nice crust on it too, the way his recipe works. So, G-Bear, give me a thumbs up down there, please. Don't forget to save this. And I'll go over the recipe with you in the next video, so that it's really basically the simplest loaf of bread I have ever made in my life. I mean, literally, you never touch it with your hands, and there's no kneading, there's nothing to do but stir with the handle of a plastic spoon. That's it. Everything else is just, it does it itself. G-Bear signing off.